Hyundai Tucson 2009 to 2015 2.4 engine. The Vapor Canister Purge Solenoid is located on the right side of the engine. It is very simple to replace, just disconnect the two lines and unplug the connector.